Monster Fountain to watch as people protest.
Oh, sorry about the bumps. The suspension's a little bit stiff.
Yeah, it's really bumpy in here.
I don't know why. I apologize.
Oh, well, going off the road, huh?
Oh, man. Oh, no. I'm losing control. Oh, shit. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. There's another big one. There's another. Oh, I gotta stop the pedal. Your turn.
And Billy Bob Thornton, Fargo.
And the Golden Globe goes to. You want to open it?
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
I have the nails.
Yeah, get after it.
الأسواق الصاعدة هل هي بالفعل ما زالت صاعدة؟ فهي مفاتيح.
حاول أحد الموجودين الاقتراب من الرصيف البحري لالتقاط الصورة إلا أنه تعثر بشكل مفاجئ وسقط عن الرصيف البحري.
I'm going to hand the microphone over to my buddy Danny here and go Wildcats. All right, hey, Paul, get you inside. Enjoy that game. We'll see you back here at 10 o'clock. Thanks so much.
If you love drama, then you're a very happy person tonight. Never a dull moment with these Kings. At times it looked like it wasn't going to happen. Then an incredible moment occurred late in the second overtime against the Rangers.
Szép számmal érkeznek a további üzenetek. Idős Balázs Lajosnak születésnapja alkalmából
O povo na ponta da língua, onde é que a gente vai? Olha lá, os turistas croatas, tudo bem? Todo mundo muito simpático, todo mundo hermano aqui, pega de surpresa.
É. Vá. Như vậy thì
أنا خلاص لا يا أنت اللي بدأت يا شاكر أنت اللي شاكر يا أخوان أنت اللي بدأت لا يا أنت اللي بدأت يا سامي لا
Esse equipamento causou um curto-circuito em um transformador e o próprio sistema daí desligou esses circuitos para que a falha não se estendesse ainda mais.
Ainda há risco de ter mais algum apagão aqui em Pouso Alegre, na nossa região?
Não, o nosso produto ele é exposto.
Petrania Puswan has been there all day, so Petrania is party in full swing yet?
It is definitely in full swing. It's close to 9 o'clock and thousands of people are out here. It's like New Year's Eve out here in downtown Summerlin. A lot of people are here celebrating. Governor Brian Sandoval was even up here in this part of the valley.
Serious technical difficulties with our audio system, and for some reason this is the only audio that works right now, but we want everyone to know that we are frantically working on this situation. For some reason we are experiencing some serious technical difficulties with our audio system, and we hope you'll bear with us as we iron out this situation. But that's the thing with this morning show. You never know what to expect. But while I'm on the air here, let me tell you the latest on this situation on the Mag Mile. We have some seriously high wind gusts in the Chicago area today through 3 o'clock this afternoon.
This tops it all. This tops the fake plane crash. This tops everything.
We know you're a convicted rapist. This could hurt his campaign. How would you respond to that?
You come across like a nice guy, but you're really a piece of shit.
Hey,
with that
come
comment.
On.
No, that was a piece of fuck you. That was a piece of shit.
You know, we're doing live TV.
Hey, I don't care. What are you gonna do about it?
Is it nerve-wracking for you to do something like this, or is it more nervous for you to box? How does it compare?
I don't know. It's more nerve-wracking for me to hear us talking to a rap piece of shit like you.
Come on, Mike.
No, because you're a piece of shit.
All right.
You really have to
we're gonna wrap up this interview. Thank you for coming in.
Fuck you.
Dinner outside.
Oh, wait a second. He can't do that up here. They can be up here, but okay.
I should have put the dance.
You got to stop that, Maura. All right, let's go to this.
Good morning.
It is Thursday, March 13th. You are Marcia.
I am. I almost jumped you there. Sorry about
That's
that.
okay. You can jump me anytime. Not that way. Not that way. You know what I meant.
Well, I won't be talking to the rose expert anymore.
I know. But you can ask me anything about peonies. I love peonies.
Oh, flowers. Peonies. Yes,
peonies.
Yes. If you didn't get a chance to check out, I'm so sorry.
You must have had to beat off a lot of American men to get this part. Why does that make you giggle? Did you not have to beat them off?
You
With a
actually,
big
to get
stick?
the role, imagine there were a few men up for the role as well.
There were.
And compose yourself.
Pretty nice fucking weather here the last week of August. Do you like summer?
It's not quite as thick. Excuse me. It is not quite as thick this morning along the coast.
I am a Broncos fan, so I'm hoping Manning throws a few touchdown passes, but the Seahawks, they have a chance too. 20% chance for a scattered shower. Sorry about that.
It is another soaker around western Washington, and we're going to get a look at how that will affect your morning.
I'd be happy, man. Rangers to me are a sinking ship.
And we'll check back in with Tom in just a little bit. In the meantime, that rain is definitely...
Reporter Kristen Thorne is in Smithtown in Suffolk County tonight. She continues.
Not really more accumulating snow, but just a biting, granular, kind of slushy, icy snow.
We have not gotten into the worst part of this storm yet. That is to come a little bit later on tonight. So obviously here at the College of Charleston, they're already having a good time.
I compare winter to be the Justin Bieber of seasons. It was kind of cute and exciting when it first started out, and now it's a bit obnoxious and should probably just stay in Canada.
There goes a couple of clouds demonstrating what I said. What I said, hitting us. All right, there you go. Here comes another one. Steve! There, they knocked it. Four plow trucks, and you can still snow covered, so.
Pigs are reportedly running rampant in a Venice community. The Jacaranda West Country Club Village has recently reported wild hogs tearing up residents' yards.
And if you're making last-minute dinner plans, you may have a hard time getting in some of the titties in some of the city's top spots.
Well, the Yukon Huskies are the 2014 NAACP national champs.
Ginger, thank you. Coming up, more problems for a troubled
Earthquake.
singer. Yep,
We're having an earthquake.
You'd be right to be skeptical. Thousands of additional skateboarders.
This was a close race, but only for a short while once the votes and ballots started rolling in from, excuse me.
Let's remember that, of course, he played under Roberto Martinez at Wigan, and at the time, he was very much praiseworthy.
Do you live around here?
Yeah. Wow, you're super pretty. You want to go on a date sometime?
We're on there live right now on KTLA, actually.
As I said, the ambulance just left, a fire truck just left, and there's a firefighter there right now, but everyone is out safely. We're live tonight.
Make his first appearance. But in this case, LaBeouf did not have that, and LaBeouf obviously kept on moving during the course of this scenario.
Let's bring in Weather Channel meteorologist Mike Seidel. He's in Sugar Mountain, North Carolina. Hi, Mike.
Why?
Well, obviously, Mike, not quite ready for us, but let's turn to some other news we're following on this Saturday night.
Hi, you guys. So I'm here with Richard and Katie from the Utah Nordic Alliance of Utah, and you guys are teaching me how to cross-country ski. So give us some bass. Okay. Yes. Now I'm gonna toss it back to you guys. I just slipped and fell. So
I tell you what, you working for Marvel, the Super Bowl commercial. Did you get a lot of reaction to that Super Bowl commercial?
What Super Bowl commercial?
Oh, you know what? I've admit my mistake. You know what?
See, you're as crazy as the people on Twitter.
Right.
I'm not Lawrence Fishburne.
That's my fault. I know that. That was my fault. My mistake. You know what?
We don't all look alike.
Floggy, you're exactly
We may be
right.
all black and famous,
You
but
are
we all don't look
guilty.
alike.
Facebook is down. We're expecting this to, trend on Twitter any moment. Here's the screen grab we have from our newsroom where people are unfortunately having trouble getting on. I got on, but nothing's uploading. Nothing is updating. It just allowed me to send a friend request. That's all. And in all seriousness, on Twitter, I just went and checked. Right now, hashtag Facebook down, trending. Facebook says they're working on getting it fixed soon. How about that?
The panel said it welcomed the apology, but said some of the financial costs could have been avoided. Caroline, thank you.
He says what you're doing is you're doing down the departmental spending because you need to find deeper cuts in spending in government departments. So in real terms, that means spending on things like schools, on hospitals, I might give up on that.
Our royal correspondent Nicholas Witchell has the details at Balmoral for us now. Nicholas, what does it say?
And certainly if we look at, you know, the changing complexion of this cabinet compared to the last one, the one yesterday, what we can see is that
Adam,
so-called
do you want to take a pause?
Yep.
Do you want to take a pause?
No,
you know, because they've been talking non-stop. You okay?
No, I swallowed a fly. That's all right. But
there was an old woman.
Recovered now.
Well, Baltimore Ravens running back Ray Rice breaks his silence today, apologizing to his wife and his fans for the allegations that he attacked his wife, knocking her unconscious in a casino elevator this last February. All right, that is not the right video.
Goodell?
Yes.
Miguel Marquez.
Ow, ow, ow! I'm Benji. What's going on? Ow! What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't take me to an elevator! Don't take me to an elevator! Please! Don't take me to an elevator! Please!
I didn't make anybody stay here until 7 a.m. or 11 or whenever it is everybody finally left. I didn't make this kid pass out on my floor. People wanted to be here.
Do we even know who is this 4chan person or website?
He may, and I'm sure we're gonna be able to get some more confirmation on this as the hours and minutes go on. He may have been just a system administrator who knew his way around and how to hack things.
Louis Slungpugh, I hope I pronounced the last name correctly.
Yes, ma'am, it's Slungpugh.
Oh, thank you very much. What can you tell us about this? Or is it something you've ever seen before like this?
Well, you know, we had a pressure break around sunset, and the cherry bomb must have popped through the top of the pipe and just blew the bottom right out of it. It was either a cherry bomb or someone took a really large dump, you know.
Are you 100% sure about that? Is
It's a fake call.
Oh, we lost him. I'm sorry about that. We hope to get him back. They'll need airspace, that type of stuff.
Joining me now, former Arkansas Governor Mike Huckabee, who's the host of Huckabee, right here on the Fox News Channel.
Say something to the nation.
We got 5 minutes till 2014 and we're going to fuck shit up. Number 5 takes us to an accident scene in Charlotte, North Carolina. 4 firefighters are hurt after a fire truck overturns on the highway this morning.
If you just say things naturally, it's fine.
Yeah.
You know, they just think and fuck.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Okay. Yes, we bleeped it. Good. All right.
No major disturbances. Everything has gone pretty smoothly. They say they've only had a couple arrests related to people who were drinking a little bit too much. Live in West Hollywood.
Fucking hot.
Whoa! I'm sorry.
Before we let you go, since we have you here, we haven't had a chance to kind of talk about some of the...
I'm not speaking about anything that's off topic. This is only about the president.
Well, what about...
Thank you.
All right, so Congressman Michael Grimm does not want to talk about some of the allegations concerning his campaign finances. We wanted to get him on camera on that, but he, as you saw, refused to talk about that. Back to you. Why?
Let me be clear to you. You have to do that to me again. I'll tell you what.
I just wanted to ask you. Why? It's a valid question.
You tell me what fuck. No. You're not mad. You're not mad. Great like a boy.
It's National Bagel Day today, and it's Bruder Bagel's 31st birthday. So the company will give you 3 free bagels. You have to go in before 11 a.m. though and take a coupon with you. Kristen is on her way right now. You can find a link to it on newsnet5.com.
Oh man, I still got off air. What is going on? Oh, thank you.
The barn was only used for 2 weeks of the year for breeding, so it wasn't insured.
The unarmed boy got out of his car and said, "This S-H-I-T, is going down now.
And I said, what are you doing running? And you're saying it was really good out?
It's the perfect texture for running. Very low impact when it's dry snow, so your feet don't get wet.
Well, go ahead and keep on the run. I'm sorry to have kept you, but I appreciate you guys talking with us. All right, thanks. We've seen a lot of people out here, like he said, running, sledding, just enjoying it. One thing, oops, that can happen.